Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I received some Happy Mail from my sister, and I'm going to open this up so you guys can see what I got. How pretty is that color? I love this peachy color. How pretty is this? And then I guess this is just some ribbon. That's so pretty. And then I guess this is some more ribbon. Ooh, how pretty is that? Look at all the sparkles. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, and then there's some more ribbon. And wow, how pretty is this lace? I love this so much. This is so pretty. And then there's this flower. Wow, that's really beautiful. This is really pretty. That's really pretty ribbon. Okay, and oh, these are so pretty. I love these doilies. These are so pretty. I have a couple more and I love using them. And let's see. This looks like a little scarf, or actually it's a longer scarf. This is pretty too. And ooh, I love this. This is actually perfect timing because I'm doing I joined Roxy and Sarah's the Journal of Stitchery challenge this month, and this will be perfect. Actually, I was just looking for some fabric to use like this, and this is perfect. I'm so excited about that. Ooh, and look how pretty this is. Okay, and there's some more lace. That's so, so pretty. And then there's some more. This is really pretty. Look at that with the beads. This will be really fun to use for my stitching journal, and actually for my junk journals also. And there's another flower. And then there's some more ribbon, and then some buttons. How pretty is that?